You want to say hi, Nana?
Hi, Nana. Can you see me?
She can see you.
Uh-huh.
Do you want to get off and show her how you get on your swings like a big girl? No? Okay, stop that and get on there and show her how you get on your swings like a big girl.
That's how we started.
That's how you stop that, right?
Okay, Nana. This is how you go. You go like this, and you do it like that.
Good job. And yep. And then how do you swing? You can do it. You want to show your slide now?
Here's my slide.
Are you going to ride down it?
And this is how you ride one. This is a video, Daddy. Are you in it?
No, Daddy's not in it.
Okay. This is our video. So this is how you slide down.
Good job.
That's how you do it. That's the way up, and that's the way down, and that's the way up.
Good job.
And my video is still not done.
Oh, yep, it's done.